The three facts of losing your weight. Friends, we all know that losing your weight is a journey, is a task which one person has to do in their life if you comes under the obese or overweight situation. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, obesity is very common problem, especially in India, where 7 out of 10 corporates are already overweight and 1 out of 5 women is already facing a health issue. Friends, we must understand that what are the concept of health, what is the meaning of health, and how to gain the benefits of health. Friends, if you wish to lose your weight, then always remember that it is the journey, it is not the final destination. There is a way to lose your weight. I do agree that you have to eat less, that you have to have make some changes in your life, and you have to have adapt some of the workouts. But it is not the destination. It is a journey of the weight losing. Today, I will give you three facts about the weight losing, which I guarantee you that you must have not heard from anywhere. The fact number one, that weight losing is not a regular task. It usually works in cycle process. What is the cycle process? That basically it can be the cycle of 45 days, it can be the cycle of 60 days, it can be the cycle of 90 days. But if you're not going to break that cycle, then your body is going to adapt the same way and you're going to face the problem. I have faced many problems in my past time where I wanted to lose my weight on my own. And I tried many diets and I have been keep on doing, but I did not have any knowledge about the cycles of losing your fat. Once I adapted the lifestyle of cycle of losing the fat, I have started seeing changes in me. What I do that usually I take the 45 days of cycle of fat losing. In 45 days, I do all the diets like keto, intermittent, and all the things. And after that, for the next 15 to 30 days, I take a normal diet because we all are born to live a normal life. We cannot be losing our weight for the lifetime. Always remember this thing. Now, the fact number two. The fact number two says to us that we should not have the diet which we are having at the time of losing fat is the diet for lifetime. Many of the time, when I started losing my weight, I have initiated some of the food like soups, vegetables, less chapati, less rice, less grains, less carbohydrates, and less fats. But it is a process and a science behind the food of the losing your weight journey. It is not a lifetime. It is not a life habit. Whenever a person try to lose their weight on that time, they adapt some of the diet habits. But ultimately, we all are born natural. That's why we should enjoy the cakes, ice cream, roti, chapatis, parathas, lassis. These all the things we can enjoy and we should enjoy. Having a soup and vegetables for all your life, it's not the task of your life. It is not the truth. Losing your weight, losing your fat works in the cycle. Now the third fact. Basically, you must have seen in many of the movies of Hrithik Roshan and Amir Khan. Usually, what you see that they go in the transformation to adapt themselves into a role. Whether we talk about Gajni, whether we talk about the Hrithik Roshan movie, they always go in a transition mode. They always goes into a transformation mode. Being a part of a transformation mode, you must have seen not only the diet works but the workout also works. Few people what they think that they just need to adapt a good diet habits but no workouts. Definitely, if a person who is 200 kg or 400 pound person and if he wish to lose his weight or her weight, then he or she has to go more than 7 cycles in their lifetime. Within a 2 year, the time can be taken after 2 years or also the 3 years for them to come into the position of 100 kg. In first cycle maybe they can lose the 20 kg, in second cycle maybe they can use 25 kg, but at the time they have to adapt some of the exercise habit. I'm not talking about the heavy exercises, but I'm talking about the regular exercises or some of the exercises which a person can do in a 15 minute of time, and there is a knowledge behind it. That's why I suggest many of the people that spend some money, get some guidance, and start your fitness journey in a real way, not in a way where you press pushing yourself towards, you're banging your head on a stone to get the result. You won't get it until and unless you have a good knowledge. Friends, if you wish to start your health journey, if you wish to lose your weight, and if you wish to know what are the basic diets for losing your weight, then you can download my ebook. Description I'm giving you, ebook link I'm giving you in the description. Do download that ebook. If you want me to give you personal guidance and personal coaching, then feel free to contact me or message me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know that you can do it and you really want to do it. You just need to know your fitness.